the world's first decentralized exchange to allow trading of tokenized stocks. Well, today I'm super excited to be talking about this next project called SwissCheese Finance. But before we do that, make sure to do research, figure out if this project is for you. Yes, this platform lets users trade fractionalized stock tokens. The token has a limited supply, making it a rare asset with the potential to increase in value. SwissCheese Finance is a rising star in the crypto world, experienced a 300% surge in value. That's awesome. SwissCheese Finance offers exciting ways to engage with the platform and earn rewards, which we'll talk about today. Compete in the SwissCheese Ludo game for a chance to win $73,000 or test your Bitcoin price prediction skills in their fast-paced Bitcoin Byte game. You can even play games directly with the SwissCheese Telegram group. Stay tuned for later on this video where I'll talk about a raffle where you can win some money. I'll give the details in a bit. But let's talk a little bit more about SwissCheese. You could even play their games directly in Telegram. So I thought that's really cool. Obviously, I use Telegram a ton, so being able to access that really makes it really seamless for you guys to check that out. I think this project has a lot of growth potential with their unique platform, their games, their prediction stuff. Obviously, the stuff they're doing on Telegram is awesome. I also think they have two exciting partnerships, which I'll talk about later, with IMPERSONATING and another one with BitGet. So that's definitely exciting. SwissCheese Finance lets you easily invest stocks, currencies, bonds, and more. You can swap crypto for shares instantly, explore curated portfolios for optimal returns, and you can even stay informed of real-time market data. So there's just a whole slew of different things that makes this investment experience easy. They have global access. You could trade from a wide range of assets with no restrictions. They have instant swaps. You guys know how important it is to have these instant swaps. Exchange crypto for shares in seconds. Expert portfolios. You could invest in expertly managed portfolios. So if you know people out there that have done a really good job, you could copy them and see what they're doing. And they have market insights, of course, to stay ahead with the latest price and trends. SwissCheese Finance provides unrestricted access to global markets, instant crypto share swaps, create investment portfolios, and all this market data that is super valuable for you guys. So we'll talk all about that. I'll definitely talk about the raffle. I'll kind of check out some of the links, check out their socials, and all the interesting things why I think that this is going to be a great project for this year and the years to come. So let's go SwissCheese Finance. So I actually just bought some Swiss cheese right now on MEXC. I bought 134 of it. And around like $40 worth of it. That's how much I had in this account. I'll probably end up buying more. I'm kind of just waiting. You could actually check this out for yourself. If you click the markets, you could click into it. You could see the volume on here. Obviously the order book. You could obviously see the chart. Really makes it easy to buy. You see a ton of people are actually buying it recently. So that's obviously good to see. You can see the stats up top. In 24 hours, 77,000 has been bought. So that's great. Definitely shows that there is a lot of potential. So again, like I said, lots of different ways to buy. I just chose MEXC. You guys, I've talked about MEXC a ton in the past. So definitely check it out. And what's cool about this is you can actually trade with multiple cryptocurrencies depending on where you're buying, etc. Again, I'm not going to go through the whole entire website. You guys can check that out for yourself. They've done a ton of partnerships, exciting stuff on the roadmap. If you guys want to be a part of this raffle, buy some yourself. Let me know in the comments some of those transactions. But yeah, definitely a lot of stuff to do. You could trade. There's swap. There's copy trading, which I talked about, which is coming soon. You could stake. You could borrow. There's even votings, and then again, blogs as well if you guys want to kind of stay in tune with what's going on. But yeah, that's SwissCheese. Again, I said at the beginning of this video, disclaimer, I am a holder. Definitely check it out if you guys are interested. So before we continue with talking about some exciting things going on, I did want to let you guys know that I am an investor in this project. There isn't much projects out there, especially recently, that I've been bought into, but I think they're doing a lot of great stuff. So, that's just a disclaimer that I am a holder in it. I do think they're doing a lot of cool stuff. Like I said, they're partnered with BitGet. I think it's just good to be a part of a project that, you know, isn't really just trying to take as much your money and like disappear. They really want to do a lot of great things and really make a big impact in the crypto space. So that's why I kind of holding this raffle, because I think it's a good way for people to get excited about something that I'm invested in, potentially get others invited out there, and hopefully people will be, you know, even if they don't win, that you guys will still be, you know, interested in checking out and following along with what's going on and potentially buy in the future. So that's definitely cool. So I'll give out the details of that right now. So in order to participate, you have to buy at least or own at least $50 worth, and then show proof like transaction hash or screenshot, and then put it in the comments. You could also, you know, like I said, if you have friends out there, you could also let them know so that they can enter as well. I'll also let you guys, I'll post this, these details on Twitter as well. And then 1 week after, I'll check to see all different posts from the YouTube comments and Twitter. And then I will select one person via random draw, and that winner will receive $50. So it's a good way to get some extra in there if you guys are interested. I do think that there's going to be a lot of excitement towards this, and I don't do giveaways a lot. I think when I first started this channel, I was trying to do giveaways a good amount of time, but I think like I really don't do it for every project, but you know, some project that I really think is going to do well, I definitely want to do that. So you could actually, if you guys are interested in learning how to buy, you guys could actually do that straight through Telegram, which is kind of cool. So if you have to go to their Telegram, which is SwissCheese Group, you can actually buy it via the Telegram bot, or you could just buy it from like a CEX or DEX, which is really easy. There's a lot of ways to get it. I think that's really important. Like I said, I think that the fact that they're really pushing on these different exchanges, how they're doing all these partnerships, how they are, you know, really pushing this project, and you could see through their Twitter X about how active they are, all things that they're doing, ways to engage with the community. I think it's really important. So I think it's a lot of stuff that's cool. Obviously they have like the character that a lot of people like and get behind, but I do think they back that up with a really solid project and a lot of value that they bring. So definitely check it out if this project is interesting to you. So definitely check it out. I think there's a lot of potential, especially the period we're in now. I think it's a great time to jump in. That's why I kind of doing this raffle right now too. I think it's like probably the best time, because I do think that as more and more people learn about this and kind of the market towards the end of the year, and people, especially in the beginning of the year, are going to want to buy into projects like this, I think there's a lot of potential. So let me know what you guys think about SwissCheese. Remember, put those responses in the comments. Don't forget to join the Telegram group, check out their website. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.